Okay. A very good morning, children. Welcome back to the online session of subject mathematics of 6th class. I hope so you all are very fine and staying healthy in the present situation. So, in the previous class, we have discussed about the exercise 2.2 regarding the properties of whole numbers. Is it right? So, in the yesterday's class, we have discussed about some models regarding the properties of whole numbers. Okay, so those are whatever the problems I have said in the yesterday's part, those are one type of problems. So like direct properties. So taking the direct imaginating the direct property. Okay, suppose see, so in the yesterday's problem we have seen in the so many problems, like in the word problems also. So suppose some 55 liters and 44 liters. So at a morning session and at evening session 55 and 44. So in the morning session he will be supplying 55 liters, evening session 44 liters. So for each liter he is costing 30 rupees. So that means per total day how much cost means how we have calculated. So directly we are multiplying 55 into 30, 44 into 30, and both we are adding. So like that we have seen. So that is one type of one of the models of the direct properties. So estimating directly properties, we are estimating directly. So up to yesterday we have seen like that. But in the today's class we shall see another type of properties. So estimating the properties indirectly. How we have to estimate, we shall see in some of the problems. Okay. So first, before that, so in the exercise 2.2, we have seen some problems, and I have left some more problems. So we shall see that one. So I think so. See, second one in the first bit. In the first bit, what is the first bit? Give the results without actually performing the operations using the given information. So using the given information without any calculation, we have to tell the answer. So in the second one, see, in the first bit you see the second one. What is the second one? 1 into 47. 1 into 47 is equals to 47. Then what he said? 47 into 1 is how much? 47 into 1 is how much he is asking. So same as how I have said previously. So if you know the property, one property of a whole number, you can easily say this one. So that's why daily you practice the properties. So whatever the properties are there, you recall those properties. You can able to do this problems very easily. So 1 into 47. So 1 into something you are multiplying. Here what is the symbol? Multiplication symbol. Multiplying with what? With 1. So multiplying a whole number with 1. So for that what is the result? So result is also a whole number. Is it right? Then 47 into 1. So just here 1 into 47 is a, so that means a, so 1 into a is equals to a. Then a into 1 is how much he is asking. So a into 1 is also same a only, because so whatever the whole number you are multiplying with 1, so the result will be the same whole number. Is it right, children? So that one. So here what is the number? So same number it is coming, same whole number. So here also it will come a. So that means this is same whole number. So identical whole numbers, identity whole numbers. So both are equal. Equal means identity. So this is identity property. This is identity property. So identity property in which operation? So here it is a multiplication symbol. So what is this property? Multiplicative identity, multiplicative identity. So say 1 into a equals to a, then a into 1 is equals to also a only. So multiplicative identity. So why we should say this one as a multiplicative identity? So you will get it out. So sir, why can't we say 1 into a equals to a into 1? So why can't we say this as a commutative property? Because commutative property also same thing only. So a into b is equals to b into a. So a into b equals to b into a. Same result will be coming. So why can't we say this one as a commutative property? Means you have to observe there is one. There is one in one of the number. Okay. So as one of the product is 1. Okay. So and if you are doing the multiplication, so the same result is coming. That means in every property same result will come. So that means whole number will be coming. In every property, if a whole number is coming as a result, then these properties are satisfied. But here the same result is coming, and that is identical to this number. That is identical to this number. Suppose you see one number. We shall see one number. So here suppose I am taking 20 into 30. So 20 is one whole number, 30 is one whole number. So here the two numbers are different. What is 20 into 30? 20 into 30 is 2 3 6 600. So 20 into 30 is 600. Is it right, children? 2 3 is 6. So 2 zeros are there, 2 zeros are there. So 20 into 30 is 600. Now what is 30 into 20? 30 into 20 is also 600. Is it right, children? So here suppose 20 is A, 30 is B. So here 30 will be B, 20 will be A. So A into B is equals to B into A. So this is here two results are same. But is there any number as 1 in the products? So there is no number as 1. Suppose if instead of 20, so here no number is 1. So that's why this is a commutative property. CP means commutative property under multiplication. Okay. So this is commutative property. And what is identity property means? Suppose instead of 20, suppose if there is 1, instead of 20 if there is 1. So what is 1 into 30? 1 into 30 is 30. Is it right, children? 1 into 30 is 30. Okay. So and next, what is 1? 1 is A. So interchanging means what it will come? So in place of 20, 1 will come. 30 into 1 is also, what is 30 into 1? 30. Okay. So this is A. So 1 into 30 is equals to 30. 30 into 1 is equals to 30. And whatever the one of the whole number is there in the products, so the same whole number is came. So and this whole number and this whole number and these two whole numbers are same. Same means identical. Identity means equal. Okay. So as you are taking identity proof, ID proof. What is ID proof? ID proof means the same person. Is it right? So whoever having whatever the photo is there in the ID proof, that should be matched to your face. Okay. So that means here whatever the product we have taken in the LHS part, that should be equal to the RHS part as a result. Okay. That means here these are same. That means identical. So this should be the at the time this should be multiplicative identity. Okay. So now I think so you have understood what is the difference between multiplicative identity and commutative property. Okay. Commutative means A into B equals to B into A. Okay. If there is if any number in that A comma B are not 1, then that is commutative property under multiplication. But suppose if any number is 1 in the products, so then that will become identity property, and whatever the symbol is that will be the multiplicative. Here multiplication symbol is so multiplicative identity. So like this you have to see. So now So I think so you have understood this concept. So based on this concept, if you see this one, if you see this problem, so 1 into 47 is equals to 47, then 47 into 1 is equals to how much? So 47 into 1 is, so directly you can write, so 1 is there, so one number is 1 and another one is whole number. So 1 into whole number is equals to same whole number. Then 47 whole number into 1 is how much? So the same whole number will be coming. So 47. And what is this property? Can you say now? So this is a 1 is there and this is multiplication. So multiplicative identity. Okay. I hope so you have understood. Okay. So next step. Next, what is the next problem? In this fifth one is 85 plus 0 is equals to 85. Then 0 plus 85 is equals to how much? Yes. Okay, 85 plus 0 is equals to 85. Then 0 plus 85 is equals to how much? So here also same, I am taking one whole number and I am adding with 0. So then what is the result? So the same whole number is coming, whatever the product we have taken in the LHS part. So the same whole number is coming in the result. Okay. So and next, so 0 plus 85 is equals to how much? So here suppose 85 is A and 0 is B. Okay, A plus B. Here I have interchanged B plus A. So 0 plus 85 is also the same number as 85 only. Same number as 85. So here suppose you are adding any whole number with 0, then the same whole number is came. The same whole number which is in the products, of LHS part, that is came. Okay, the same result as came. So here both are identical. So you will here also same. You will be thinking that why can't be this as a closure property? Closure property means suppose if you are adding any two whole numbers, so you should get another whole number. You will be getting another whole number. So A is one whole number, B is another whole number. If you add this to, the different whole number will be coming. Suppose 1 I am taking, 1 plus 2 I am taking. 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay. So 1 is different, 2 is different, 3 is different. So these three are different whole numbers. So but here what happened? 85. This is one whole number. This is 0. So by adding this to, what I get? The same whole number which I have taken in the LHS part of products. So the same whole number came. That means identical. So by seeing this one, you should say that this is one of the identity property. So which type of identity property? Now you see. So here what is the symbol? Plus symbol is there. So plus symbol is there. So what you should think? So additive identity. So what is the property? Additive identity. Okay, like that you should write. So just this all the things you should store in your mind. Just you should write the answer. So if you know this concept only, you can able to write the correct answer, and you can go with the some more types of problems. Okay. So I hope so you have understood. So this is only the first bit, children. Okay. Now in the second bit, see, find the sum by suitable arrangement. First problem I said, but second problem you see. So second problem is also same problem, children. So what is the 154 plus 197 plus 46 plus 203. Okay, 154 plus 197 plus 46 plus 203. So in the second bit, what is the first problem? So first problem is 238 plus 695 plus 162. So this is a second bit first problem. So second problem is this one. So here how you have done? You have what is the question given? find the sum by suitable arrangement. So by arranging suitably, so to add very easily. So how you can add very easily? So whenever the number is ending with the tens, whenever the number is ending with the tens, hundreds, thousands, like that. So at that time you can add very easily. Is it right, children? So for that, what is a clue? What is that we shall say? We will say as a what is a trick? So to identify whether we can change in the suitable manner or not. So that is, so first of all 10. So 10 means addition of two numbers is called 10. So that means see 1 plus 9 is 10. Is it right? 1 plus 9 is 10. Next 2 plus 8 is 10. Next 3 plus 7 is 10. Next 4 plus 6 is 10. Is it right? Next what is it? 5 plus 5 is 10. Is it right or not? So 1 plus 9 10, 2 plus 8 10, 3 plus 7 10, 4 plus 6 10, 5 plus 5 is 10. So by observing this, by noting these numbers, this trick in your mind, so you have to check the problem. So in this problem, in the first problem, see this digit is having first number as the ones digit as 8, and here there is 2. So if you add this 2, maybe the number will be coming in the either tens or hundreds or thousands. Is it right or not? So that's why you should add this 2 at a time. That means how I have taken in that problem 238 plus 162. This is one set plus 695. So whatever the result I got for this number, for this I have added this one. Is it right? So same like that only you have to do for this also. So already I explained in that class only. So if any 4 digits of 4 numbers are given also, you should take this trick I have said. Okay, if you are not remember, you once recall to that one, so that you can understand. Okay, and you can do it very easily. Okay, so here also how you have to do means, see 154 plus 197 is there. Okay, so 154 plus 197, what is this digit? This is 4. Next, this is 6. So 4 6 we can do as we can get as a tens or hundreds or thousands. So based on the number. Okay, so first 154 plus 46. First you should write the question as it is. 154 plus 197 plus 46 plus 203. Okay, so 4 is a, 6 is a. So if we add this 2, we can get a tens or hundreds or thousands. So I am writing this 2 at one place. 154 plus 46. So this one I have made as a one set. Next plus again bracket. So here what is a? 7 is a. Here 3 is a. So here 7 is a. Here 3 is a. That means 7 plus 3 also 10 only. So if we add this 2, maybe tens, hundreds, thousands it will be coming. So you should take as a 197 plus 203. Okay. So like this. Next step. So here what is 154 plus 46? If you don't know, you do this here. Okay, sidewise 154 plus 46. Okay. So do the addition. Okay, what is addition? 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So what is the result? 200 we got. So that means I said either tens or hundreds or thousands or 10,000, so like that it will come. Based on the number, based on the number of digits it will be coming. So here what is the result? 200 plus, next 197 plus 203. What is 203 plus 197? So what is this result? You add and check. 7 plus 3, 10, 0, 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 0, 9 on. 0 plus 1. So 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 0 here, 1 and then hundreds plus. Next 2, 3, 4. So this is 400. So what is the answer here? 400. So 200 plus 400. Can you do this very easily? So like this. So whatever directly instead of adding like this, So we can arrange like this. So with the help of this numbers, with the ones placed numbers, we can arrange into the suitable manner, and we can add this two very easily. So 400 plus 200, 4 plus 2, 6. So 600. So 600 is the answer for this problem. Okay. So like this you have to separate them. Okay, based on this clue numbers. Okay. So this is about the problem. Okay. So actually first problem is also same like that only. So that's why I explain only one problem. Okay. Next, in the third bit we shall see. Okay. In the third bit is multiplication. Find the product. In the second bit we have done the sum. Now we have to do the product. We have to multiply. Okay. So first one already I said. Second one 20 into 255 into 50 into 6 into 6. So see, children, directly if you are doing like this means first 20 into 255, again for this result into 50, for this result into 6 means that will become very much hard to you, not only to you, for everyone. Okay. So so for this type of problems, how you have to do? So here also same, you should multiply any two numbers so that the result should come in the either tens or hundreds or in the thousands, so that your product, whatever the multiplication is there, that process will be very much easy. So here how you should do? So first see children, so 50 20 is there, 50 is there, 20 is there, so both are having zeros only. So if you do this two means it will be very much easy to do the product. So that's why first, as this question I am writing, into 50 into 6. So this one how I should change means 20 into 50. Okay, 20 into 50 is one part, into next 255 into 6. So this is another part. Okay, 255 into 6. Okay, so 255 into 6 is on one part, 20 into 50 is another part. First solve this two. 20 into 50. What is 20 into 50? So here see children. So 2 5s 10. 2 5s 10. So 0 0. So 2 zeros are there. So 20 into 50 is 1000. 20 into 50 is 1000. Okay. 5 2s 10. 0 0. Next 255 into 6. What is 255 into 6? If you don't know, you do calculation here. Into 6. 6 5s 30. 0. 3 8 tens plus. Next 6 5s 30. 30 plus 3 33. 3 3. Okay. Next 6 2s 12. 12 plus 3 15. Okay, 15 30. So 6 5s 30 0 3. 6 5s 30 plus 3 33. 6 2s 12 plus 3 15. 12 plus 3 is 15. So 1530 is the answer. So here 255 into 6 is 1530. Is it right, children? So now you have to do multiplication of these two numbers. So first skip this 4 zeros. Skip this 4 zeros. So this 3 zeros and this 0 you skip. So first multiply only 153 and 1. So 1 into 153. What is 1 into 153? 153 153. Okay. Next here how many zeros? 1 0. 3 zeros here. Next here only 1 0. So what is the result? So this is the result. So 15 lakhs 30,000 is the result. So if you do as your hand also, by hand also, you will get the same result. So you can check here. So 1530 into, see, 1530 into 1 is 1530 only. So already 10 completed. So here that means we got 1530. Now here again 3 zeros are there. You should keep this 3 zeros. So this is the answer. So 15 lakhs 30,000 is the answer for this problem. See now how easy it was. So if you do like this, suppose if you do like this means you might be getting confused or you may get a wrong numbers. So in the numbers confusion will be there. So if you do like this means so you can get very easily. So that only he said, by suitable arrangement, by suitable rearrangement. So once again you arrange as a to do very easily. So that is only this bit. Okay. So this is about third bit, children. So fourth bit also same like that only, but distributive property yesterday I said. Now so next we shall go with the fifth bit. So fifth bit is very different than the bits we have discussed in the yesterday. So see children, fifth bit, what is the fifth bit? First one, find the product using suitable properties. Find the product. Find the product using suitable properties. So using the suitable properties you have to find the product. So any type of problem which is given, so that one you should convert into as any type of property. Okay. So whatever the property will be sufficient to that problem, you should convert into that property. Okay. So we shall see the first one. So the first one is 205 into 1989. 1989. So this is a problem. So this one you should find the product using suitable property. Okay, you should convert into your respective properties. Solution. First you should write the same question as it is, 205 into 1989. So in the exam also, you are not supposed to write the question again. So this one you should not write in the exam. So directly you will keep first solution or second solution, whatever the solution is. So first step in the exam or in the notebook, you should write the same question. Okay. So after that, the next step. Now you should divide this two. So 205 and 1989 you should divide. So here see children, 205 no need to divide because we should get one property. So here 205 into 1989. So 1989. So 1989 means we can divide this into two numbers, into addition of two numbers. So in the 1989 there is 1000, is it right? So 1000 plus 989. Can I write like this? So 1989 I am writing like this. Okay. So here what is the answer? So 1000 plus 989. Okay. So I am writing like this. So 205 into 1000 plus 989. So this is by looking this one you are getting one of the property. Is it right? So 205 as A, 1000 as B, next 989 as C. Is it right, children? So A into B plus C. A into B plus C there is one property like this. So here in the question there is no property given in the question. So indirectly we have converted it into property. So question is not given in the property, just we have converted into the property. So what is A into B plus C? A into B plus C is A into B plus A into C. Is it right, children? So here like this you have to write. Okay. A into B plus C means A into B plus A into B. This is one set. Plus now A into C. 205 into C. 989. Okay. So 205 into 1000 plus 205 into 989. So here just you should you should struggle somewhat hard. Okay, so to get the correct result. Okay, now so 205 into 1000. So 205 into 1 is 205. How many zeros here? 3 zeros. Okay, 2 lakhs 5000. 2 lakhs 5000 is this answer. Plus, so this one 205 into 989. So here you have to struggle somewhat hard. Okay, how we means just you take multiplication of 3-digit numbers. If you know means you can do by your own. So 205 into 989. So multiplication 9 5s 45. Next 9 zeros 0 plus 4 4. Next 9 2s 18. So here nothing to take to add. So 9 2s 18. Next ones place is completed. Now tens place. So tens from tens place onwards you should start. So 8 5s 40 0 4. Next 8 zeros 0 0 plus 4 is 4. Next 8 2s 16 16 16 only. Okay, 8 0 0 plus 4 4 completed. 8 2 16 same number will come. So tens is also completed. So tens also you should close. Now you should start from hundreds. 9 5s 45. So 5 4. 9 zeros 0 0 plus 4 is 4 only. 9 0 0 0 plus 4 is 4. 9 2s 18. Okay, 18 45. 989. Okay, so what is the result? 5. Here 4 plus 0 is 4. Next 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5. 5 plus 2 7. 17. 7 and here 1. No. Now 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 2 12. 2 1. So 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 1 10. 0 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 205 into 989 is this result. So 2027 4 5. So this is a result. So 2 lakhs 5000 plus 2 lakhs 2745. Now you should add this 2. So by adding this 2, whatever the result will be coming, so that will be the final answer. So how many digits are there? 3 4 5 6. Here 3 4 5 6. So same number of digits. So here only I am adding. So 2 0 5 0 0 0. So by adding this 2, what is the result? 5 4 plus 0 4. 7 plus 0 7. 5 plus 2 7. 2 plus 0 0 plus 0 0. 2 plus 2 4. So 4 lakhs 7000. 4 lakhs 7745 is a result. For this problem. So 205 into 1989 is 4,07,745 is a result. Okay. So like this you have to do you have to convert whatever the product is there. So you have to convert into one of the property. So here I have converted into distributive property. So if you want here, you can write here distributive property. Okay. So for your convenience, you can write a distributive property, so that whoever the correction doing, whoever the examiner who is correcting your paper, he can understand. So he has changed it into distributive property and he has done the problem. So so he has followed the rules of our problem. So like that he will understand and he will give correct marks. Okay, for whatever the marks are provided for this, he will give the correct marks. Okay, so this is about this problem. Okay, so I think so the second one also you can do very easily. Okay, so like this only you have to do. So we shall see this one. Second one. What is second one? 1991 into 1005. 1991 into 1005. So here also you have to do the same separation. Okay, for each number you have to do the separation. So For each number or for only one number also you can do the separation. Okay. So just a minute. Okay. So only one number you can do the conversion. Okay. So here see children. So 1991 and 1005 is there. So here in this number there are two zeros. So we so this is some okay. So first we shall say 1991. 1991 means can I write like this? So 1000 plus 991. So I will be writing like that. First same question you have to enter in the first step. Next you divide 1991. So 1001 1000 plus 991. Okay. So this is one step. Okay. 1000 plus 991 into 1005. So into 1005 because here if you separate this one means there won't be any property like a plus b into c plus d. So like this there is no property in the whole numbers. Okay. So there won't give any number. Suppose if you do means that is your wish, but so here you have to get a correct property. So if you do like this means a plus b into c, that means a into c plus b into c, like that you can get the distributive property. Okay. So like this you have to do the conversion. So now a into b plus c, a into b. Okay, instead of like this you can convert also a plus b into c, a plus b into c. So a into c, so 1000 into c, 1005, 1000 into 1005 plus 991 into 1005. Okay. So this is the thing. So a plus b into c is a into b, a into c plus b into c. So this is a distributive property. So here you should write distributive property. dp means distributive property. So after this now you have to do the product for each set. So 1000 plus 1005, that is 1005 000. Okay. So here 1005 into 1 is what is the 1005 into 1, that is 1005. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So 3 zeros directly you can take. Okay. So plus next 1005 into 991, 1005 into 991. So here you should struggle somewhat hard. Okay. So 991. Okay. So 1005 into 991 you should do the same as the previous problem. If you know the multiplication you can do. So 1 into 1005 is 1005 only it will come. Next down 9 5 45, 4 9 0 0 plus 4 4, 9 zeros 0, next 9 ones 9, next again in the hundreds place same will come. Okay. 5 4 0 9. Okay. So now 5, what is the addition? 5, next 5 4 9, 4 plus 1 5, 9 plus 0 9 9. So what is the answer? So 9 9 5 9 5 5. So here so we got this as the answer 995. That means what is the answer here? 9,95,955. So here what is the answer? So 10,05,000. So now you should add this two. So by adding this two, what will be the result? You have to check. Okay. So now we shall check the answer. Okay. So 10,05,000 10 lakhs 5,000 plus 9 lakhs 95,955. Okay. So here what is the addition? So 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 5 5, 0 plus 9 9, 5 plus 5 10, 0 1. Okay. Next 9 plus 1 10. Okay. Next 9 plus 1 10. 1 plus 1 2. So what is the answer? So 20 lakhs 9,955. 20 lakhs 955 is a result of this problem. Okay. If you check in the calculator also, you can get it. You will be getting this one only. Okay. So that means, so whatever the conversion into the properties, so indirectly we are converting. So in the previous class we have, up to previous class we have converted directly. Okay. So in the question only they given a property, and that property we have taken the result and we have directly solved the problem. But here in this bit, so there is no property given in the question. So that one we converted indirectly into suitable property, and that is distributive property. Okay. So like this you can change and you can do the problems. Okay. So this is about the exercise 2.2 complete bit. Okay. Complete exercise of 2.2. I hope so you have understood very well about these properties. Is it right, children? So now I will be giving some problems regarding this exercise 2.2. Okay, before that one, so in the yesterday's class, one wrong I have said. So in one of the problem, 18 plus 12 is it? 18 plus 12. Okay. So in the fourth bit, first one. In the fourth bit, first one I said. Okay. So what is that problem? 368 into 12 plus 18 into 368. So there we have done like this. Okay. So 368 into 12 plus 18 into 368. So this is the problem, and for this problem I have taken 368 common and I have taken 12 plus 18 like this. So here 368 into 12 plus 18, instead of 30 I have taken 20. Instead of 30 I have taken 20. So 18 plus 12 is 30. So you please correct that one in your books also if you written. So 368 into 12 plus 18 is 30. Okay. So now 368 into 30. So 368 3s. So 368 into 3. What is 368 into 3? 3 8s 24. 3 6 18. 3 8s 24. 3 6 18. 90 20. So again 2. 3 3s 9 10 11. So what is the result? 11040 is the result. So 1104 is 368 into 3. So here 10 we should add here. So 11,040 is the result for this problem. Okay. So you can check this mistake, children. So by unfortunately that was a gone mistake. So you check that one. Okay. So next, so this is complete exercise 2.2. Now I will give some homework problems in this exercise 2.2. Okay. So try to do very easily. Okay. Okay. Exercise 2.2. In this exercise 2.2, first bit, second bit I am giving. So find the sum. Find the sum by suitable arrangement. By suitable arrangement. first one that is 472 plus 227 228 220 plus 228. Okay, this is first one. Next, third bit, find the product. Find the product by suitable arrangement. Suitable arrangement. Okay, first one, A, it is 27 into 368 plus 368 into 73. Next, okay. Only product, no? Into 36 into 70 into 25. Next, fourth bit, find the value. Find the value of following. Okay, a problem, that is 27 into 368 plus 368 into 73. Okay, find the value of following. 27 into 368 plus 368 into 73. Now fifth bit. Okay, very easy, children. So find the product. Find the product. So find the product using suitable properties. Using suitable properties. First one. Okay. 1279 plus 9,000. 900. 1279 plus 900. B problem is 1729 plus 1002. Okay, these are the problems. Okay, So these problems you do as a homework, children. So very easy only. So whatever the properties you want to take, you can take it. So in this fifth bit, I think so you have to divide at least one problem, one number into two parts. Okay, with the addition. So 1279 is it. So 1000 plus 279. You should divide, and you should do the product. Okay. So this is sorry. Into here also into. Okay, you should divide this into two parts with the addition, and with that you should take the distributive property, and you should multiply. Okay, so this is about the total exercise 2.2. So in the next class we shall go with the new topic of this second unit, second chapter. Okay, thank you for attending my class, children. Have a good day, children. Thank you.